Now multiplication of symbol. Same symbol minus into minus. Same symbol. Plus into plus. Same symbol. And here difference minus into plus and plus into minus. Plus into minus. Same symbol means plus. Minus into minus means answer is plus. Or plus in answer is plus. Same symbol. Minus into minus means answer is plus. Plus into plus also plus. Means same symbol multiply means product is plus. Then different symbol minus into plus or plus into minus. Answer is minus. Plus into minus means minus. Now here page number 21 in my textbook. Exercise 1.3. Find each of the following product. First question A 3 into minus 1. What is the answer, children? 3 into minus 1. Into means multiplication. 3 ones are 3. Symbol is plus into minus means minus. Now second question. Now C1 minus 21 into minus 30. Now we have to multiply. Minus 21 into minus 30. Answer is multiply minus 21 to minus 30. Check your answer. 21 into 30. First multiply. 0 ones are 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 0 0 plus 3 is 3. 6. Answer is 630 after multiplication. So here minus into minus means plus. 21 into 30 is 630 is the answer. Now C1 is over. Next is F1. F minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10 F1. Now we have to multiply any two numbers. Minus 12 into minus 11 first multiply. 12 into 11. And after that we can write the symbol or minus. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1 after multiplying. Answer is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 132. With 132 again we have to multiply 10. 132 into 10 is 1320. That we can write directly or multiply and see you get the same answer 1320. So here minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus only. 12 into 11 answer is the 132. 132 into 10 is 1320 is the answer. Now H1 minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. First multiply minus 18 into 5. 18 into 5. 18 5s are 90 into 18 5s are 90. 90 into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 9s are 36. 360. Answer is 360. Now symbol minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Answer is minus 360. Now I1 minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. First multiply the number. 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are how much? 6 4s are 24. Now minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. So answer is minus 24. Now J1 minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into 1. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into 1. Now multiply here children. 3 6 are 18. 18 2s are 36. 3 6 are 18. 18 2s are 36. 3 minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Answer is plus 36. Now here equation A statement is given. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Now check children which property is this. First check the left side. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 monomial and bracket. Here 18 they are distributed. 18 monomial into each term. 18 into 7 then 18 into minus 3. So this is in distributive property. Now we have to check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. Should get same answer. It is in distributive property. Here we can simplify the two method. 18 as it is, and 7 plus minus 3 means 7 minus 3 means how much? 4. 4 into 18 we can multiply, or again we can distribute and check the answer. 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay, 18 into 7, first term with 18 into 7 distributing, then again 18 into minus 3 distributing. 18 with 7 first, then 18 with minus 3. 18 into 7 plus, then 18 plus into minus is minus. 18 into 3. 18 into 7, here plus symbol, so here plus, then 18 into minus 3. 18 into 7, here plus, so here plus symbol, then 18 into minus 3. Or we can simplify the bracket or remove the bracket. 7 minus 3 means 4, and we can multiply 4 into 18. Both the way we can do. Now 18 into 7, RHS side. This is the right hand side. 18 into 7 means 18 7s are 126. Then plus into minus is minus. 18 3s are 54. Now here 18 7s are again 126. Here minus symbol is there. So plus into minus is minus. 18 3s are 54. Now 126 minus 54 is 72. Here also 126 minus 54 means 72. Both the sides 72. So LHS equal RHS means LHS equal RHS. Now next, verify the following. Here left hand side and right hand side is given. This is left hand side, and this is after a equal symbol is right hand side. Now we have to check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side, means the same answer. Now check which property it is in. 24 monomial into binomial, and how what about the right hand side? They are distributed 12 into 4 and 12 into 6. So it is distributed monomial into each term, 12 into 4 and 12 into minus 6. So this is in distributive property. Now simplify and check whether LHS is equal to RHS. Two method we can simplify. Minus 25 as it is, minus 4 plus into minus means minus 6, or we can multiply similar equation we can write here, distributing, equal minus into minus is plus 21 into 4. 21 into 4 means 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 84. Minus into minus is plus, and here plus symbol, bracket, 21 into 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 126. Minus into minus is plus symbol. Now minus 21 into bracket minus 4 minus 6 means minus 10, equal. Now 84 plus 126 is 210. Now 21 into 10 means 210. Minus into minus means plus, equal 210. Now LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say therefore minus 21, that is statement minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 equal right hand side. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. It's satisfied. Right, left hand side LHS equal to RHS. Now third main, verify for any integers a what is minus 1 into a equal to. Any integers a, what is minus 1 into a equal to. So what is the answer? Minus any integers a means negative. Minus 1 is a multiplicative identity. Okay, minus 1 into a, any integers a, minus 1 into a is minus 1a or minus a. Minus 1 into a is minus 1a. So answer is minus a. For example, any other example, any integers in minus 1 multiply with any number. So 1 into 5 is 5, symbol is minus, negative integers. So answer is here minus 1 into a means minus a. Now here third question. For any integers a, minus a, what is the minus 1 into a equal to? Answer is minus a over. Now in second, after the second question, determine the integers whose product with minus 1 is. So here first question, a is 22 minus a is minus 22. Determine the product, determine the integer whose product with minus 1. So here we have to multiply into minus 1. So answer is minus into minus is plus, 22 ones are 22. Answer is plus 22. Then B next. A 22 over B we have to 37 into minus 1 we have to multiply. 37 into minus 1. Second one B. Okay. 37 ones are 37. Plus into minus means minus. No symbol means here plus is there. Plus into minus is minus 1. So answer is 37. Minus 37. Now here C 0. So 0 into minus 1 we have to multiply. 0 into minus 1 is 0. Answer is 0. Now here fourth main. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various product showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. So here any number multiply with the minus 1. What is the product? We have to check. Any example? So minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Any number multiply with minus 1 we have to check. Minus into minus is plus. Now any example children? Example. Minus 1 into 3. What is the answer? 3 ones are 3. Minus into plus is minus. One more example. Minus 1 into 6. 1 6 are 6. Minus into plus is minus. One more example with the negative integers. Both minus 1 into minus 4. Answer is 1 4s are 4. Minus into minus plus means with minus 1 any number, positive or negative number, any number you can write. So number itself here, when negative means minus, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus into minus is plus 1, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus 1 into 6 is minus 6, minus 1 into minus 4 is minus into minus is plus 4. Fifth one, find the product using suitable property. In that first one, A 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Now we have to check in which property we can solve this. Commutative property means binomial and same numbers in left and right side, just reversing. If 4 into 3 means it becomes 3 into 4. So both the numbers should be common. But here only one number is common, 48 and 48. Only one number is common here. So with the commutative property we can try. Then associate property means trinomial. Left side and right side numbers are same, only changes in the bracket. So here only one number is common number and both are different numbers are there. 26 and minus 36 different number. So we can try with the distributive property because common with one common number we can distribute other two numbers. So common number we can take minus 48 and 26 plus minus 36. 26 plus minus 36. Now we have to distribute minus 48 with 26, again minus 48 with minus 36. Minus 48 into 26. Now here plus symbol, right same symbol. Then minus 48 with minus 36. Minus 48 with minus 36. Okay, minus 48 into 26 plus symbol, minus 48 with minus 36. 48 into 26 is after multiplication, answer is 1248. Minus into plus is minus, plus 48 into 36 means answer is 1728. After multiplication, answer is 1728. Minus into minus is plus. So minus 1248 and plus 1728. After subtracting minus 1728 plus 1728 and minus 1248 means 8 minus 8 is 0. Greater number is this. 2 minus 4 means 12 minus 4 means 8. So here 6 minus 2 means 4. Answer is 480. Here this solution we can try with one more method. 1 minus 48 into 26 plus minus 36 means solution we can get with another method also. We can try that. This is alternate method. This is alternate method of solution. Okay, alternate method. Minus 48 as it is and 26 and minus 36. How much? Minus symbol, subtraction. No? 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 2 means 1. Subtraction. So answer is minus 10. Now minus 48. Bracket means multiplication. 48 into 10 is 480. Okay, 48 into 10 is 480. Minus into minus is plus. So answer is 480. Same answer we get after by that method means with distribution or simplifying the center one and multiply with the common.